If your back feels stiff in the morning, I'm going to show you one simple stretch that you can do even before you get out of bed. I've spent 27 years helping patients with back pain, and this is one of the exercises that I most commonly prescribe to my patients. If you're thinking that you've tried stretches before and it didn't work, stay with me. Most people are skipping one small detail or they're not doing the exercise properly that makes the exercise ineffective. And once your back feels better in the morning, it makes everything the rest of the day a lot easier. And if your back has been stiff for a while, don't wait on this. The longer your back is stiff, the harder it is to loosen it up. I call this my morning reset. One simple move, 1 to 2 minutes, and you can do this even before your feet touches the ground. I'm going to show you what this stretch does, how to do it properly, and some of the most common mistakes that my patients make that makes this exercise ineffective, or it can even make your pain worse. This exercise is called the knee to chest stretch. It sounds simple, and it is, but simple doesn't mean that it's not effective. This is one of the most effective movements that we give for low back pain. You don't need any equipment, you don't need a lot of space. All you need is just a floor, or you can actually do it even on your bed if the bed is firm enough. Here's what's happening when you wake up stiff. When you're sleeping, your body doesn't move as much. Your muscles has not stretched or contracted during the time that you were sleeping. So when you jump out of bed in the morning to go to the bathroom or to pick something up from the floor, it's easier for you to strain your back because your muscles are not warmed up yet. The knee to chest stretch slowly moves the muscle and bring more blood to the area. And if your muscles are warmed up, it's less likely for you to strain it. Think of it as warming up your car in a cold morning. You're not gonna floor the car as soon as you start it, right? This is the same thing. Real quick, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel so I can continue giving you exercises that will help you get pain-free, feel alive, and get back to doing what you love to do without pills and medications. Okay, let's get into it. I want you to follow along so you're doing it properly. Start by lying flat on your back. Now, take one knee and bring it up towards your chest. Use both hands and wrap them on your thighs, not on top of the kneecap, not on your shin. That part matters, and I'll come back to it in a bit. Hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Let your lower back relax into the surface beneath you. Not a pull, not a pinch, just a slight stretch. There's a difference between pain and a stretch, and you'll know it when you feel it. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath, because that creates tension in the muscles that you're trying to release. Now lower that leg down slowly. Put your foot flat on the floor. Pull the knee gently towards your chest until you feel a stretch in your lower back and in your buttock area. Same thing. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Just relax and breathe. Make sure there's no pain and you're just feeling a slight stretch. Great. That's one round. We're going to do 2 to 3 rounds on each side. As you get more comfortable with that, you can progress your stretch a little bit by keeping your other leg straight. This will give you a stretch on your lower back and the buttocks on the knee that you're bringing towards your chest. And you're going to be stretching the hip flexors of the leg that is straight. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. And then you switch to the other side. Keep your one leg straight and bring the other knee towards your chest. You should just be feeling a slight stretch on the lower back and the buttock area of the knee that you're bringing towards your chest, and you're feeling a slight stretch on the front part of the hip of the leg that is straight. Do 2 to 3 sets of this every morning. Once you're comfortable with the single knee, you can progress to both knees at the same time. Hold it the same way, hands behind the thighs and not on the kneecaps and not on the shin. Pull both knees gently towards your chest. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe, relax. And after 20 to 30 seconds, put both feet down on the ground. And here are what I see people doing wrong. Mistake number 1, grabbing the kneecap or your lower leg. I see this a lot. People grab onto the kneecap or onto their shin or lower leg area. That puts pressure directly on your knee joint. And if you have knee issues such as arthritis, this can cause pain on your knee. Mistake number 2, pulling too hard. Do not jerk your leg towards you. This is not a competition. You're not trying to touch your knee to your chin. A gentle, steady pull is all you need. If you're yanking your knee towards you, you're creating more tension, and the tension is opposite what you want to do, which is to relax your muscles. Mistake number 3, holding your breath. I mentioned this in the how-to, but it's worth repeating because almost everyone does it. Holding your breath braces your core and tightens the muscles you're trying to stretch. Breathe slowly and steadily throughout the hold. Mistake number 4, rushing through it. 20 seconds is not a lot of time, but people still rush through it. Set a timer if you have to. The stretch needs time to actually work. Holding it for a few seconds is not going to release anything. And one more, doing it on a soft mattress. If your mattress is very soft, you sink into it. The stretch won't be as effective because your pelvis won't stay stable. Move to the floor if you can. A yoga mat like this, a carpet, or even a folded blanket will work. A firm flat surface is what you need, and it will make a big difference. Now here's the thing, the knee to chest stretch loosens up your lower back from the backside, but there's another exercise that loosens the front part of your spine. And when you combine the two, that's when people really feel a difference. Watch that one next here.